Tello, also known as the best value budget drone available on the market in 2023. The feature-packed mini drone grew out of a partnership between Ryze, Tello, and DJI. Their goal is to create the ultimate unmanned drone. When you hear names like DJI and Intel, you probably think that this drone has to have the latest technology and be really expensive. Well, this small drone has an HD camera, smart flight modes, image stabilization, and a handful of sensors for stable flight. What it does not have is price. Probably the most impressive part of the Tello is the 5-megapixel camera that can record 720p video. Most drones under $100 have grainy, low-resolution 0.3 megapixel or 2 megapixel cameras. Also, except for the Ryze Tello, no other drone at this price has electronic image stabilization. We found EIS and Tello to work extremely well. It turns otherwise unwatchable flickering video into smooth images you'll be happy to share with your friends. Another thing that sets the Tello apart from the competition is its different flight modes. The flight mode is called Easy Shots. The up and away mode, for example, is a classic drone. Tello flies away from you while slowly gaining height to keep you in the center of the video. The brightest mode has to be Circle. In this mode, the Tello performs what other drones call a point of interest, or orbit. The mini drone will circle around your target, always keeping it in the frame. This is a feat not achieved by other drones that don't have a built-in GPS. There are a handful of other fun modes, such as 8 different turns, bounce, and 360. You can also start and launch the drone instead of taking it off the ground. The device uses multiple sensors and cameras to keep the drone where you want it to be. Infrared sensors, a downward-facing camera, and an altimeter combine to keep the Tello stable. The Tello also boasts an impressive flight time of 13 minutes. Most drones of this size will only stay in the air for half that time. Tello's height is software limited to 66 feet, but there are free apps you can use to extend that. For a listed price, you can't beat this.